Hello everyone, you're welcome to the series of videos on preparation for Igcse mathematics examination. This is part 2 of all Igcse vector questions. In this video, I will solve all the Igcse vector questions in 2019. The first one is question 25 of paper 058021 May June 2019. OABC is a parallelogram and O is the origin. CK is equals to 2KB and AL is equals to LB. So from these two statements, so we can say that AL is equals to LB, and we can also say that the ratio of CK to KB is equals to 2 to 1. So M is the midpoint of KL. If M is the midpoint of KL, that means KM and ML are also equal. OA is equals to P and OC is equals to Q. Find in terms of P and Q, giving your answer in its simplest form. KL, vector KL will be equals to KB plus BL. So if you look at the diagram here, to get KL, so you need to move like this: KB plus BL. So we need to find these two vectors, vector KB and vector BL. So let's start with vector KB. So to get vector KB, we already know the ratio, okay? So CK to KB is equals to 2:1. So from here, we can say that KB is equals to 1 over total ratio, which is 3, then multiplied by the whole of this length here, that is CB. But mind you, CB is the same as OA, so it will be P here. That will be the value of vector CB. So that means KB is equals to 1 over 3P. So equally, you can get the value of vector CK. So CK will be equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by B, okay, because the 2 must add up to P. So I can equally write CK to be equals to 2 over 3P. Okay, so I've got KB. The next thing is to get BL. So to get BL, we know that BL and AL and LB are equal, and we know that AB will be equals to Q. Now, and we are told that these two vectors, that is vectors AL and LB, are equal. So that means this place will be Q over 2, that is 1 over 2 multiplied by Q. So I think we can finish this up now. So vector KL will be equals to KB. We found that to be 1 over 3P, then plus BL. So BL is minus 1 over BL is minus 1 over 2, because we have LB to be equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by Q. So BL will be negative. Okay, so minus 1 over 2Q. So this and this combine together to become negative. And finally, KL will be equals to 1 over 3P minus 1 over 2Q. Okay, so look at the direction of vectors AL and LB. So that is why I added a negative sign there. So I can write the final answer here: 1 over 3P minus 1 over 2Q. And part B, the position vector of M. So the position vector of M will be from point O, okay, up to this point, okay. So we want to find OM. So to get OM, you have two routes. Can go from here to this place and back to M. and you can go from O to C to K, then back to M. So we'll take this route. Okay, so we will say OM equals to OC plus CK plus KM. So let's scroll down and write that. So OM vector OM, okay, will be equals to OC plus CK plus KM. So let's plug in the values. CK is Q, OC is Q, then CK will be 2/3 of P. Look at it here, this particular one. CK is 2/3 of P, so that will be 2/3P. If you check the diagram, so Km is the same as ML, and we just found KL, so that means KL will be divided equally, okay, by Km, and between Km and ML. So Km will be half of KL, ML will be half of KL. So since I have my KL here, so Km will be half of it, so I can say 1/3P minus 1/2Q, okay, divided by 2. That will be the value of Km as well as Km. So that will be the value of Km as well as ML. Okay, so this will be Q plus 2/3P plus, so here you are dividing by 3 and you are dividing by 2 again, so that means you are dividing by 6. It will be 1/6P, so that's just the shortcut, minus here you are dividing by 2, okay, and you are still dividing by 2 again, so that means you are dividing by 4. Okay, so if you simplify this, 2/3P add 1/6P, okay, so that will give you 4P. Final answer will be 5/6P. Okay, so you can input this into your calculator. You can just say 2/3 plus 1/6, so that will give you 5/6, and that is very obvious. Okay, then Q and minus 1/4Q, if you add them together, you get 3/4Q. So this will be the final answer. So you can write 5/6P plus 3/4Q. That will be the solution there. So let's go to the next question. So this is question 20. Okay, not this, you have to scroll down. So this is question 22 of paper 0580 May June 2019. ABCD is a parallelogram, N is the point on BD, okay, such that BN ratio ND is 4:1, okay, that is something like this. This will be 4:1 here, okay. So AB is equals to S and AD is equals to T. Find in terms of S and T an expression in its simplest form for BD. So BD will be equals to BA plus AD. So we can write it here, BD equals to BA plus AD. So AB is S, so BA will be negative S, plus AD is T, so we can write this as T minus S. So the next one will be CN. CN will be equals to CB plus BN. Okay, so this is what you want to get. Let me draw a line like this. Okay, so it will be CB plus BN. So let's scroll down a little bit. So CN Cn will be equals to Cb plus Bn. So Cb, we don't have Cb, but we have Bc to be equals to AD, and it is T. So that means Cb will be negative T because it's moving in opposite direction. Then plus Bn. So we don't have the value of Bn, so we need to calculate Bn from here. Okay, but before you can find Bn, you must know Bd, so which we have done earlier. Okay, so let's do it here. So Bd will be equals to ratio of Bn rather. Bn will be equals to ratio of Bn, which is 4, over total ratio, that is 4 plus 1, 5, multiplied by Bd. Okay, so that will be the value of Bn. Okay, so Bd is T minus S, so I can say T minus S. So this will be the value of Bn. So let's scroll down. So it will be 4 over 5 into T minus S. Okay, so we can expand the bracket. It will be minus T plus 4 over 5T, then minus 4 over 5S. So we can simplify these two. So that will give us minus 1 over 5T, minus 1 over 5T, then minus 4 over 5S. So that will be the final answer. And you may want to factor out minus 1 over 5. Okay, so it's okay with you. Okay, you can do that. So minus 1 over 5t, then minus 4 over 5s. So that will be the final answer there. ABCD is a parallelogram with AB equals to Q and AD is equals to P. ABM is a straight line with AB, that is AB ratio BM to be equals to 1 to 1. That means they are equal. So since AB is equals to Q, then BM will also be Q. Okay, and moving towards this direction. Then ADN is a straight line. ADN, that is this one, is a straight line. Okay, such that AD ratio DN is 2 to 3. So we can say this one is 3 to 2 rather. AD ratio DN is 3 to 2. So that means we have 3 there and we have 2 here. Okay, so we can get the value of DN and we can get the value of AN since we are given this ratio and the value. Okay, so the first question, write MN in terms of P and Q in its simplest form. So MN will be this, and to get MN you can go towards this direction, MA plus AN. Okay, but we don't know the value of AN. Okay, so we need to find AN. So how do we find AN? Is by saying from AD we can get AN. So let me show you. So AD, that's vector AD, is equals to, what's the ratio of AD? That is 3 over the total ratio 5 multiplied by AN. So we know AN. Since we know the value of AD, then we can get the value of AN. So AD is equals to P. We have P equals to 3 out of 5, then multiply by AN. So if you cross multiply and divide both sides by 3, so AN will be equals to 5 over 3P. That will be AN. Okay, so I can say MN is equals to MA plus AN. That will be equals to MA will be equals to minus 2Q, because AM is equals to 2Q and MA is opposite direction. So you have minus 2Q plus AN is 5 over 3P. So write 5 over 3p. So that will be the value of mn. Of course, you may want to rewrite this, so you can write it as 5 over 3p then minus 2q, so which is better. Okay, so 5 over 3p minus 2q. Then let's go to part B. The straight line NM cut BC at x, and NM, look at it, NM cross BC at x, that is at this point. Good. Okay, x is the midpoint of MN, that is x is the midpoint of MN, so that means MX and XN are equal. Okay, so that is the implication. So BX is equals to KP. So find the value of KP. So the first thing we need to do is to find the value of BX. So if you want to find BX, so let's go to the diagram here. BX will be this. So you can take this root. BX equals to BX will be equals to BM plus MX. So that is the direction, BM plus MX. So we already know that the value of BM is Q, is given. Then MX is, I think we did something closer to this. Okay, let's see. MX is half of MN. So since we found MN, so we can divide it into 2 because it is half of it. So MN was the first question we answered, and this is the value. Okay, so we need MX now. So we need to divide MN into 2. So let's scroll down and write the equation here. So BX, okay, let's start from here. BX is equals to BM, okay, plus MX, okay, and that will be equals to Q plus MX is half of the whole line there, as explained earlier. So we're going to have 5 over 3p then minus 2q, okay, so divided by 2. So that will be the value of vector mx. So this will be equals to, you are dividing 5 by 3 and you are dividing by 2, so that means you are dividing by 6. Okay, so multiply by p, then minus, you are dividing 2 by 1, okay, because this is actually the same as 2 over 1, and you want to divide by 2, so that means you are dividing by 2. So you'll be left with q. So that is the easiest way you can simplify this. Okay, so here I omitted q. So equals to q then plus this. Okay, so this is the value of bx. So I can come here and write bx. We can simplify this. Q we cancel negative q. So we are left with 5 over 6p. So bx is equals to 5 over 6p. Then let's come to this place now. So that means our bx is equals to 5 over 6p. So 5 over 6p, that is bx, equals to kp. Then we can divide both sides by p. Okay, so if you do this, p will cancel p here, p will cancel p here, and k is equals to 5 over 6. So that will be the value of k, 5 over 6. So let's go to the next question. We have this diagram here. This is okay, I can't find the number, but it's from 058042 October November 2019. Okay, so I forgot to take note of the number of the question. Okay, so write OA as a column vector. OA as a column vector, that means as a column vector. So you are moving from O to A. So there is no distance for x. So x equals to 0 and y equals to 5. So you have 0 against 5. Then Roman figure 2. Write AB as a column vector. So that means we are moving downward like this. So that is the vector AB like this. So it will be X will be moving towards the negative side and Y will be moving towards the negative side. So that is how you get to this place. So if X equals to 0 here and it is now negative 3 here, so from 0 you have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So that will be minus 3. And if Y is equals to 5 here and it's now 4 here, so if you go down once, it will be minus 1. Okay, so this will be the column vector. So AB will be equals to negative 3 against negative 1. Okay, so that is so the column vector for AB will be equals to x equals to negative 3, then y equals to negative 1. So let's go to the next question. So this will be question 11. Question 11 from paper 058043 October November 2019. OAB is a triangle and ABC and PQC are straight lines. P is the midpoint of OA, so that means OP and PA are equal. Q is the midpoint of PC, so that means PQ and QC are also equal. Okay, and OQ is the ratio of OQ to QB is 3:1. OA is equals to 4A. OA is equals to 4A. The whole of this, okay, is equals to 4A, and they are both equal. So this place will be 2A. This place will be 2A. And OB is equals to 8B. OB is equals to 8B. Okay. So if the whole of this is 8B, and we know that OQ to ratio QB is 3:1, so I can easily find OQ. So let's do it here. OQ is equals to ratio of OQ is 3 over total ratio 4. Then multiply by OB. OB is giving us 8B, okay, times 8B. So 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So that means OQ will be equals to 6B. Okay, since the whole length OB is 8B, then QB will be equals to 2B. Okay, so this will go a long way to make the solution easy. Okay, so find in terms of A and B, A and or B in the simplest form, AB. So AB will be equals to AO plus OB, and that will be equals to OA is 4. So AO will be OA is 4A. So AO will be minus 4A, then plus OB. OB is equals to 8B. Okay, so we can write the final answer to be 8B minus 4A if we write 8B first. Okay, Roman figure 2, OQ will be equals to OB minus QB. That is OQ. Okay, so let's write here. OQ will be equals to OB, then minus QB. Okay, so of course we know the value of OB. Okay, so OB is giving us 8B. Okay, then QB we've already found that to be 2B, so we can just put it there. So this will be equals to 8B minus 2B, and it will be 6B. That's the final answer there. Okay, then one got 3 PQ. So if you go to the diagram, so PQ will be equals to PA plus AB plus BQ. So and the value of PA is 2A like this, and AB is equals to 8B. I think we found that 8B minus 4A. Yes, we found that. Look at it here. That was the first question. So AB is 8B minus 4A. Okay, and finally BQ is negative 2B, because QB is 2B, so BQ will be negative 2B. So let's scroll down and write. So PQ will be equals to PA plus AB plus BQ. So show the direction. Okay, so this will be equals to 2A plus 8B minus 4A, then minus 2B, because QB is 2, so BQ will be QB is 2B, so BQ will be minus 2B. So if you simplify, so this and this will give you 6B, then this and this will give you minus 2A. So the final answer is 6B minus 2A. Okay, so the last part will be part B. By using vectors, find the ratio AB to BC, AB to BC. So we've already found AB, we know the value. So we need to find BC. So let's go to the diagram. BC. So BC will be equals to BQ plus QC. Okay, so we know that BQ will be minus 2B. QC will be equals to PQ, okay, as indicated here. And of course, we found the value of PQ to be 6B minus 2A. That's the value of PQ. So automatically, QC is also 6B minus 2A. So we can come here. So we already know the value of AB, as that was the first thing we calculated. We got it to be 8B minus 4A. So let's write here AB is equals to 8B minus 4A. So we need to find BC. BC is equals to BQ, then plus QC. So we don't have BQ, but we have QB, so be 2B. So this BQ will be minus 2B, and QC is the same as PQ, and that will be 6B minus 2A. Okay, so if you simplify this, this will be 4B minus 2A. So that means BC is equals to this. So we can now find the ratio of AB to BC. So AB will be equals to 8B minus 4A over divided by BC, which is 4B minus 2A. So we can factor out 2 from the numerator. So that will be 2 into 4B minus 2A, then over 4B minus 2A. So this will cancel this. We are left with 2 over 1, which is the same thing as 2 to 1. 2 to 1. This is the end of this video. Watch out for part 3.